Today I will teach you how to make acacia. Here's one I made ahead of time. Follow me below. Take a stick with a skin tone. Fold it twice like this. Look at the method. Turn around here. The tail goes through the middle here. Cut. Leave a little at the bottom. The first stick is ready. Another kind of small stick is like screwing a helix. And the last one comes through the middle. This little stick needs more work. And I'm going to do this with a yellow twist bar. The method is the same. Everyone pay attention to the method. Size can be different. Here's another one for you. I use a yellow twist stick. Fold it like this. Turn around like this and fold a few times. Then wrap around. It wraps around and finally goes through the middle. Make it smaller. Today's task is to repeat these petals. So let it go a little bit later. It is recommended to do more. You can use different colors. Use a lighter here to burn it like this. It's ready to stick down. The first one, let's get a little glue first. Stick to this flower pole. Next, wrap the floral tape. There is no need to glue the back. Direct wrapping floral tape. This increases the petal. Then repeat this operation. You can add it anywhere. This process is more arbitrary. If it's missing, you can add a few more. The petals at the bottom get a little bigger. Then it will also have a slightly longer stem under it. After the little petals are wrapped, the bottom is to wrap the floral tape. That's it. So let me show you how to make another leaf. Here I didn't do it from the beginning, but the mechanism is the same. Put some glue on first. Then fix this end. Fold it like this. And then it goes around the top. Look at the method in the video. One more time. Glue. Fixed and repeat the operation just now. You can do other colors. Then it's almost there at the bottom. We put glue on the bottom here. Stick it a little bit. Bake it with a lighter. Then wrap the bottom with floral tape. You can do other colors to match different bouquets. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. Bye.